It's generally agreed that avoiding smoking, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough exercise will offer some protection from cancer, but just how much protection has never been entirely clear. The team at Johns Hopkins University says the answer lies in the way the body regenerates. Old, tired cells are constantly being replaced with new ones made by dividing stem cells. Each time a cell divides, there's a danger the letters of its genetic code will become jumbled, leading to an increased cancer risk. Overall, the study found that around 65% of cancers were caused by random mutations that cannot be prevented. It's down to biological bad luck. Writing in the journal Science, the report authors say that as most cancers can't be prevented, there should be more focus on spotting them early. But the research concluded that a third of cancers, including skin and lung cancer, can still be prevented by lifestyle changes. Cancer Research UK says giving up smoking, cutting back on alcohol, and eating a healthy diet are all measures that can stack the odds in our favour. Kate B, BBC News.